Wagwan.
Hi guys.
I teach her magic, you feel me?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Why you tell me to wear my shirt like that? And I got one too.
You ain't ask. You didn't even ask me what I was wearing today.
True. You never asked me either.
My outfit been picked out.
So you never asked me either.
You never asked me either. That was bad. Say it again.
It's very bad. You never asked me either.
You never asked me either.
Yeah.
All right.
Good job.
All right, ready? First word of the day. Let's get to the bottom of this. Let's figure it out. Let's get to the bottom of this.
Come on, we'll get to the nitty gritty.
Come on, we get to the nitty gritty.
Want to get to the nitty gritty?
I want to get to the nitty gritty. I have to stop it to get. I don't know, for emphasis.
So
I want to get to the nitty gritty.
Working, what?
All right, we're just talking.
We're just at all our reason.
We're just at all our reason. We're just at all our reason.
Yeah, me and Lee, we're just at all our reason.
We're holding a reason.
Yeah.
What that mean? We holding a reason.
Just like the
More
same, like they said, we're just at all our meds. Just I'm just holding, like, I don't know, Jamaica chip in, but you know, just at all our reason.
Just at all our reason.
Mm-hmm.
Soon crib.
What's up?
I've been saying that in my room.
You're too grim. You're too
Zoom
bison.
I be walking through the house like,
Go like this. You're so silly. Here, ask me if I want some. No, can I have some? You have to say, no, you're too craven. You're too bison. Go
okay,
on.
ready?
Can I have some?
No, you soon crib. You soon bison. That's not the word. You're so crib.
You're too craven.
You're too crib.
You're too bison.
You're soon bison.